Jack and the Beanstalk. A long time ago, Jack and his mother lived in a small, cozy house. They were very poor and had only one cow. One day, Jack's mother told him to sell the cow. Jack walked to the market with a cow. On the way, Jack met a strange old man. The man offered him magic beans in exchange for the cow. Jack agreed to trade the cow for the beans. He felt excited about the magic beans. Jack's mother was very angry when she saw the beans. She threw the beans out of the window. The next morning, Jack looked out the window. He saw a huge beanstalk growing into the sky. Jack decided to climb the beanstalk. He wanted to see what was at the top. At the top, Jack found a giant's castle. He saw a giant counting gold coins. Jack saw a hen that laid golden egg. He decided to take it quietly. Jack grabbed the golden egg and ran. The giant noticed and started to chase him. Jack ran down the beanstalk as fast as he could. The giant was following him from above. Jack reached the ground safely. He ran to his mother and told her everything. Jack and his mother decided to plant the golden eggs. Soon they grew into golden treasures. Jack and his mother were never poor again. They shared the golden treasures with everyone. Jack remembered the adventure and smiled. He knew bravery and cleverness had brought them happiness.